Today I am going to discuss an important topic, that is 3G. Another one is wireless local loop. Okay, nothing but 3G, nothing but is a third generation mobile communication or network or 3G internet service. Earlier it was started in the year 1998. It is also known as International Mobile Telecommunication Unit. It is used to transfer high data rate, that is 0.2 megabits per second, and it is used to mainly having high. It can be used in high multimedia and high data transmission. Global roaming for both data as well as voice. It has made drastic changes, nothing but it may be used in smartphones usage in order to see mobile television, mobile videos or web pages. Next entire 3G is third generation. It may be drastic changes, man. Nothing but it may be used in important, nothing but playing music, video games. Another one is television services also. In this third generation, it's mainly having it is laid into two categories. That is, first one is 3GPP, nothing but third generation production project. No, nothing but third generation partnership project, 3G. Okay, it's mainly designed on global system mobile communication. Another one is specifications are universal mobile telecommunication system unit. In this we are using different technologies in 3GPP. Nothing but it comes under universal terrestrial radio access, different as UTRA. Another one is general packet radio service. Another one is enhanced data rate for GSM evaluation, nothing but it called as H. Okay, these three technologies. Another one is 3GPP2, nothing but a partnership project of two, nothing but in this code multiplexing are used. It is of two types: CDMA 2000. Another one is VDCDMA, wide division, wide data code division multiplexing access. Okay. Another one is it's having a basic. It can be used in different applications. That is area of applications. Nothing but first one, it's come under video calls. Another one is video conference, as well as internet services, as well as it may be internet services. It can also use, whereas GPS, global positioning service, and another one is location based service. Okay, like that 3G third generation. Next comes under our topic known as local loop, wireless local loop. Nothing but earlier, local loop is a circuit that inline with from subscribers which are connected to local exchange central office. Earlier it is used to connect with the wire. The installation cost is high. Later used wireless. In wired we use copper wires. Next one is wireless local loop. Wireless local loop has an advantage. The installation cost will be reduced, and it is a cost effective. Okay, then in wired communication, it may be in a rural or urban areas, it been constructed. Wire communication cost will be high, whereas wireless communication the cost will be low. It has flexibility in having a flexibility in communication. The thing hand to wire communication. In this VLL, it having an architecture. Nothing but it's having it is used to support core elements. Nothing but its core elements are VANU. Nothing but wireless access network unit. Then this it can interface between central office and multiple subscribers. Another one is AM, nothing but access manager. Access manager means it is used to authentication of subscribers. Another one is its core elements is PSTN, nothing but public switched telephone network. It nothing but it having a voice transmission can be done by using this, and it simply acts as a backbone to the entire telephone system. Next one is HLR, nothing but home location register, nothing but it is used to store information of all local subscribers. Another one is WASU, wireless access subscriber unit. It is the final end of an user. In this, it is used fax, modem, as well as data to receive or voice. Okay, like that VLL elements, core elements. After that, last one is switched function. Nothing but it is used to connects or it's used communicates between users. Another one is VLL. Okay, it acts as a controller or it acts as a coordinator, coordinates in between VANU and VASU. Okay, in this the flow will be takes place, nothing but data flow. First one, by using VASU, it is used to indicate a call or a request. Okay, next one, the signal can be transmitted wirelessly to VANU. Third one, VANU, it is used to verify AM access manager as well as HLR home location register. And the fourth one is the signal can be connected in between PSTN to subscriber. And fifth one means the reverse operation is done to reach the signal to subscriber. This is all about flow. In this wireless, we are it can be used as voice data transmission, or it can be used as authentication, and nothing but it's futures, nothing but routing, transmission as well as receiving, as well as voice, as well as data. Basic advantages are nothing but cost effective, as well as high scalability, as well as reduce infrastructure, multiple subscriber calls, as well as high installation, high cost for installation, as well as no physical circuit is been needed for this wireless local loop. Another one is disadvantages, means it has environment interference. Another one is signal interference. Another one is low data rate, as well as low coverage range. Okay, this all comes under disadvantage. Its block diagram look like it's having maybe 5 elements or 6 elements to design a block diagram of wireless local loop. First one, it comes under PSTN, already know, that is but public switch telephone network. Another one is it's having a switch function. Another one is block, that is nothing but a local exchange office. In this they're having a 4 blocks. Another one is VSANU, nothing but fax. Another one is it's having data voice. Okay, in this they're having an architecture, nothing but in mainly component is WLL. Another one is transceiver. Another one is AM or HLR. What is meant by transceiver means it is used to transmit or receive radio signals to and from the subscribers. Okay, this is all about 3G and wireless loop. In 3Gs we are having 2 systems, that is 3G PPP, 3G PPP as well as 3G PP2 in 3G, whereas in wireless it having basically core elements, that is PSTN. Another one is AM, another one is HLR, main components. Another one is WLL, another one is VANU and VASU. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening.